the chiefs of the 7 districts of Rotuma, the chairman, Ngangach Manav, and the members of the Rotuma Council, former presidents, Your Excellency, Major General George Conrote, CEO for the Tauke Trust Fund, the Secretary Tor, and Delano, senior government officials, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Noaia and Maori Ngangach Atakoa, and good morning to you all. Today, we gather to commemorate and celebrate the 142nd anniversary of the cession of the island of Rotuma to Her Majesty Queen Victoria and the British government. I am greatly honored to be the guest of honor for Rotuma Day celebrations here on your beautiful island. At the outset, I would like to thank the Council of Rotuma for the invitation to be here and for all the work that you do to ensure that the general welfare of the Rotuman community as well as matters of the islands are protected and continued peacefully. As your head of state, it gives me great pride and I deem it unique to witness our community celebrate our diversity and multiculturalism. As a traditional chief, I appreciate that our indigenous communities are able to preserve and observe our many traditions and cultural practices without obstacles. I wish to emphasize that we also use, promote, learn and teach our language and mother tongue to our children and grandchildren so that our identity is equally embraced and protected. We continue to live harmoniously in our diversity, and I am honored that I am able to be here today to celebrate your day and to assure to you today that it is a special and a joyous occasion, not only for Rotumans, but for every Fijian. Rotuma, while its geographical location is isolated and the size of the island small, Rotuma has had a disproportionate impact on Fiji's development and progress over the years and continues to date. There are some 2,000 Rotumas living on the island, with over 10,000 also on Viti level and Wono level, as well as other small islands around Fiji, as well as thousands more around the world. Many children of Rotuma are employed in the civil service, health and medical services, the private sector, the disciplined forces, and other professions. The many accomplishments and achievements of Fiji, where Rotuma's contributions were significant. The most significant is the son of Rotuma becoming the 5th President of Fiji, the former President and my predecessor, His Excellency Major General George Conrote, who served as President for Fiji for 6 years. He was a career soldier who rose up to the ranks through merit to become Major General of the Fiji Military Forces and then Commander-in-Chief. He is also a retired government minister, permanent secretary, diplomat and a former parliamentarian. Very few Rotumans and even Fijians can boast of achieving similar accolades. For this, I thank Rotuma for raising such a son who embodied values of a servant, leadership and patriotism. At this juncture, it would rather remiss of me not to acknowledge the government as it is focused on moving Fiji in a unified direction and creating confidence that allows all our people to put aside differences and work together through our diversity to chart a newer and progressive future beneficial for all. We appreciate the government's commitment to improve critical infrastructure such as roads in the outer islands and the enhanced air connectivity, especially to nearby islands. Services that normally centralized in major townships are now being made accessible in Rotuma, such as the first ever Rotuman Women's Expo. This is the beginning of the many great opportunities to be available to Rotuma. In conclusion, Rotuma has birthed and raised many notable sons and daughters that have acquired great recognition and contribution to Fiji's development before and after independence in 1970, and it continues today. Rotuma is also known for its pristine and beautiful flora and fauna that gives many bigger destinations in the world a run for their money. In my personal opinion, I know Rotumans to be some of the most passionate and dedicated individuals regarding matters of culture, family, and the land, all close to my heart. I thank you once again for the honor of being your guest in these Rotuma Day celebrations. I wish Rotuma and its 76 and their chiefs and the people continued blessings, abundance, and prosperity. Ngiba kalonga teki viti ke Rotuma, kalonga tamana, faiksi and Wiliame.